Presido Buhari don congratulate Govunor Fayemi over im election as Presido of the Forum of Regions of Africa. Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari don congratulate the chairman of the Nigerian Governors Forum, Dr. Kayode Fayemi, wey con still be the governor for Ekiti State, on top im election as Presido for the Forum of Regions of Africa. E tok dis one wen e do one tok-tok with Dr. Fayemi Kayode and Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, wey be the governor for Kano State. Abdullahi Sule, wey be the governor of Nasarawa State, tok say Naija struggle well for the re-election sake of say the French pipo dem bin dey chook eye for the position, but luck con dey Naija side because many ogbonge African countries, Niger, Kenya, Morocco and Mali give dem ogbonge support and stand gidigba to see say Naija win am. Dr. Kayode Fayemi, wey be the governor of Ekiti State and con still be the Presido of the Forum of Regions of Africa, con tok say as Naija win dis re-election so, e show say Presido Buhari dey respected for other African countries.
And we went through so much, Mr. President, because of the Francophone countries that really wanted the position very badly. At the end of the day, we were lucky. We got the support of Niger, which we strongly believe Mr. President needs to know. Niger came very strongly in support of Nigeria to take the position. And that was how we were able. And also with the support of Mali. Mali came very supportive of us. At the regional level, after the support of these other countries, Morocco came very strong support of Nigeria to emerge the pioneer president. In addition, with everything that Morocco had done to us, they supported us very strongly. Kenya came very strongly in support of Nigeria to emerge.
The emergence of Nigerian Governors Forum as the inaugural presidency is not just a victory for our country, it's a testimony to how well regarded and respected you are amongst other countries in Africa. And the idea behind the establishment of the forum, sir, is really for subnationals to become the engines of growth and the agents of innovation in a way that they can reduce the pressure on the central governments. And the ultimate goal is to create, to contribute to the emergence of a much more structurally reformed, socially united, economically strong, and globally respected continent, contributing to Africa Agenda 2063 and, of course, the Sustainable Development Goals 2030, Mr. President.
Presido Buhari con still tok say no country, region or group fit overlook the potentials wey dey Naija.
I'm pleased that we have experienced the support the leadership of the country enjoys from other regions, of Africa. Our potentialities really cannot be sidelined by any group or any individual state in Africa and the world over. And for you, Governor of Ekiti State, congratulations, for doing justice to Nigeria.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make you now remember say your PVC na your power. No go say your vote for any politician or political party.